guys, it's Caleb from Rokblokz. Today up on the lift we have a Kia Forte GT, and we're going to take you along for the ride and show you how to install our mud flaps. Here we have the front flap laid out. What you'll get for each corner, you'll get your flap, and then you'll get the hardware here. We'll put that up on the screen. Here we have the tools laid out needed for installing. We have a 90-degree wrench with a Phillips head screwdriver, and then we have a flathead, or you'll need pliers to pull an insert or two, and then a level. Here we are at the front of the vehicle, and first thing, to gain a little more access, we just went ahead and turned the tire. What we're going to do is remove the two OEM screws here, and then it's as simple as lifting the flap into position and putting two new screws with washers on them to hold it in place. Alright, now with those removed, we're going to grab our flap along with our screws, putting them through the washers. Now we're just going to take it, hold it in place, align it with the OEM holes, get those started by hand. We're going to get those just snug for now. We're going to grab our level, check it, set our angle, set the flap, adjust it in and out to our liking. Set it to where we want, and now we're going to make our final tightening. So there you have it. That's how you install the front. You can repeat those same steps for the other side. Now let's go ahead and jump to the rear of the car, and we'll show you how to install those. Alright, so now we have the rear laid out. What you'll get is the flap for that corner. We'll put the hardware right up on the screen here, and then now to prep this right here on the table before we mount it, we're going to take this tab, break it off just like so, and then we're going to slide it through this hole right here, and we want it coming out on the same side as the logo, and we're going to put it so that the smooth side or the non-edge side is facing upwards to the top of the flap. We'll just pull that through that hole. That is now ready to mount. Now we're at the rear of the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and remove this OEM screw, and the insert on the bottom side here. Once we get those removed, we'll take our flap that we prepped earlier and begin mounting. First, I'm just going to go ahead and remove this insert on the bottom using this flathead screwdriver. If you have an insert puller, it'll make it even easier. It's just the one that holds the liner to the bumper. Now we're going to take our 90-degree screwdriver and remove these two screws. Now, we won't be reusing the screws, but we will be reusing the OEM insert, so you can just take those and set those to the side. Now we're going to grab our flap. We're going to place it in the lower hole. We're going to take our long screw, or our screw with washer, and put it through, and then we're going to take one of the spacers and put it on the back side. We'll hand start that into the bottom hole, just to hold our flap in place, and we'll repeat those same steps for the upper hole as well. Screw with washer, spacer on back side. Now we'll go ahead and start tightening these up, getting them snug to where we can adjust our flap. Now we're going to take our level and check our adjustment. get it to where we want, and we'll take our factory or OEM insert and place that through the mounting tab in the bottom, back through the hole that it came out of, pushing that back into place. And now we'll make our final tightening on the screws. Now that that's fully tightened, that's how you install the rears. You can do that same step on the other side. Thanks for watching.